Pakistan lan kai hoduna ngarang ahing India ki city amade civilian structure sing yauna leibak asige military bashing da target tawduna chathakiba pangdabagi landa ado leibak asige armed force na chapchana Paokhum piduna maithiba Pikhi haina Ministry of External Affairs ki Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri na phongdorakli. Operation Sindoramadi Pakistan ngarang ahing chatharakiba attack adugi matangda ngasi Ministry of External Affairs ki spokesperson Randir Jaiswal Colonel Sophia Qureshi amadi Wing Commander Bhumika Singh yauna pangthokiba paugi mifam amada wafam ase phongdokladuna Vikram Misri na hai ngarang ahing Pakistan lan kai hoduna yamna pangdaba mongda chatharakiba landa ado leibak asigi armed force na chapchana Paokhum piduna maithiba Pikhi Pakistan phongna amadi official oina satharakiba attack ado makoina chathakide haibi yanaba oidaba kaya ngang sakliba ase malemgi miyamda utchaibagi luzadaba thawongni makoina lining laishongi mafam singda attack chathakide haina claim tawriba ase achumba nate Pakistan lining laishongi mafam singda target tawduna attack chathaki makoina Jammu and Kashmir gi Ponsta leiba Gurudwara amada attack tawduna Gurudwara adugi ragi ama yauna Sikh Furuk Micham khara laikide makoina chathaki baluza daba thawong ase lotsin naba India da marasiriba ase thagyamna nemba lichat amani pasi makoigi ludong da yawraklaba minamba gi lichat ado uthorakpani makoigi chatharakli ba thawong sing ase kaidawnungda maipakloi haina mahangna phongdokhi mahangna makata na hai Pakistan yumpham yawdaba paw kaya sandoktuna India na drone sizinaduna Nakana Sahib Gurudwara da target tauki hariba se yumpham yaudaba aranba wafamni basi Pakistan satharakpa namtha ki lalong amani Pakistan hauzik thokliba unkhanaba asida communal gi irang ama thoknaba akanba mongda hotnari adubu thawrang asi kaidawnungda mahi yanba ngamloi India gi kangluk furup masal gi marakta leinariba amata oibagi lipuna se Pakistan gi di achoba singnaba amani haina mahangna makata ki
is Pakistani claims that they did not target or attack any religious places. You would recall that yesterday I shared with you an incident related to the attack on a Gurdwara in Punch. Instead of owning up to these attacks, Pakistan made the preposterous and outrageous claim that it was the Indian Armed Forces and the Indian Air Force that was targeting cities like Amritsar and trying to put the blame on Pakistan. This is nothing but a desperate attempt by Pakistan to disown its acts of aggression, but it is also true to type in its effort to deceive and mislead the world. It will not succeed. This disinformation that is coming from Pakistan about India targeting the Nankana Sahib Gurdwara through a drone attack. This is again yet another blatant lie and part of Pakistan's disinformation campaign. As we saw in the Pahalgam attack, Pakistan is again trying desperately to impart a communal hue to the situation with an intention to create discord. Again, we are not surprised. India's steadfast unity in itself is a challenge to Pakistan.